What does your self-care look like? I think for a lot of us, we see messages from society that self-care has to look a certain way. It's like a manicure, pedicure, or it's a bubble bath, or it's spending money on something to make us feel better about ourselves. But I want to dig a little bit deeper into self-care. My name is Amber Carnes. I'm the founder of Body Positive Yoga, and I'd like to invite you to join me for a 4-week course where we're going to explore the topic of self-care. We're going to explore a different theme every week, from creating a gratitude practice that works for you, to learning to rebuild trust in your own physical body, to trusting your innate wisdom when it comes to doing things in your own right timing, and the cycle of rest and productivity that we each bring to our day and the seasons of our life. We'll have asana practice, mindfulness exercises, and different sorts of exploration of this topic so you can integrate it into your learning and embody it in your life. So I hope you'll join me for this course. We'll see you there.